Do you know you can scrape live data from any website and save it directly to your SharePoint without using Excel at all? Most people don't know about that. Let me show you how. Let's get started. But before we can start, I have already created currency rate tracker SharePoint list in our demo automation site. Also, I have this demo environment in which we can create a HTTP cloud flow. Now proceed towards the Power Automate desktop. Now let's proceed with the build. We have to create a new flow. Click new flow. I have named it currency rate script. Let's start with the first step. We use xt.com and get the tables of currency data, and then we code it into our SharePoint list. You have to select launch mode, launch new instance, initial URL. Don't worry about the formulas. I have put everything in the description and provide you the link of it. So window size, make sure your window size will be maximized. And I'm targeting with the local computer. Proceed with the browser extension because we have the latest extension installed. Save it. After saving it, you need to run it. It's working fine. It means our step saved successfully. Now let's proceed with the second step, extract data from a web page. We are extracting the complete table, so we need to click extract entire HTML table. And in the preview, you see all the values are successfully extracted, so we need to click finish. In our second step, we need to save it. Now the data extract successfully, and we have successfully saved our HTML table. From up till now, we need to proceed with the cloud flow because we require its HTTP URL to run the whole automation. We first need to create the whole cloud flow, and then we will move back towards a pad after creating the cloud flow. Let's proceed with the building of new cloud flow. Click cloud flow, automated cloud flow. Name it that best suits you. Further trigger, choose trigger when an HTTP request is received. Our trigger created successfully. Who can run our trigger? Anyone? I have already created a sample payload. I will put it that payload in the description file so you can copy the same payload. This is a sample payload. We create schema from that payload. It is successfully created a JSON schema. Now proceed with the second step, pass JSON. In the content, we need to put trigger body, this formula. In the schema, you use the same sample payload to generate the schema that we used in our HTTP trigger. This one, and click done. Now proceed with the next step. Now proceed with the next step of create item in SharePoint. This one, we need to choose our site demo automation. Now our list name currency rate tracker. And in the advanced option, in the title, we use this formula. All the formulas are same. You just need to change the column name and it works fine. We have successfully applied all our formulas. Don't need to put anything in the content type ID. It will be work fine. We leave it empty. Now we need to save that flow and then it will create the HTTP URL which we can use in a desktop flow to complete a automation. Click save. Our flow successfully saved. Now click HTTP trigger and it is successfully created the HTTP URL. Now copy the URL. Now once again start with the Power Automate desktop. Let's proceed with the set variable. I'm naming it flow URL. You can name it that best too. Before we can proceed forward, I have to tell you that a simple HTTP URL that a flow generate won't work in Power Automate desktop. We need to do certain changes in it. I have completely made a separate dedicated video for that in which I explain properly what errors we face in Power Automate desktop and how we can avoid those errors. I have also put the link of that video in the description. Now we apply for each loop, click for it. Then we use data from web page. These are the naming conventions that are consistent from my end. You can use any name that best suits you according to your environment. Click save. For loop created successfully. Now proceed with the next step. Inside the for each loop, create another set variable and drag it onto the screen. You can name it anything. I'm naming it amount value. Don't worry about the formulas. I will provide the link in the description so you can copy all the formulas from the description. After this variable, we need to create another variable, drag it on the screen, name it accordingly. Now proceed with the saving of set variable. Now proceed with the next step, run PowerShell script and use this formula, save it. Now our flow is completed successfully. Now we need to save this draft, and after saving this draft, we need to test it and run it. We need to click on save. Now our draft saved successfully. Now we need to publish it. Before running it, click publish. Now we need to run this flow, click run. It successfully opened the website. Our flow is currently running and it is successfully extracting the data. Our flow ran successfully and hopefully it successfully extract all the data. Now proceed towards our cloud flow and see the history, and then we will see our SharePoint site as well. We need to check the history of our flow. So you see guys, our flow ran successfully. It ran successfully. It's main it would already create a record in the SharePoint. So now let's proceed towards our SharePoint list. Click our currency rate tracker list. It will take a bit to load. You see, guys, it automatically creates a SharePoint record, so we don't need Excel at all for that. So in this way, you can use Power Automate Desktop via HTTP Cloud Flow Trigger to directly create records in the SharePoint list without using Excel. That's it for this video. Hope you guys like it. If you like the video, please follow and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you want more automations like that, let me know in the comment section or DM me or email me. Thanks for watching.